Hello students, welcome to RG Studio. My name is Rahul. I am a teacher. In this video, I will give you information regarding sample paper for the preparation of entrance exam for Master of Public Health MPH and Master of Hospital Administration MHA, Master of Hospital Management MHM, and for other courses for various university and institutes like AIIMS Raipur, AIIMS Rishikesh, AIIMS Jodhpur, AIIMS Bhopal, Common University Intent Test, UTPG, PGI-MER Chandigarh, TISS Mumbai, JIPMER Pondicherry, Indian Institute of Public Health IIPH, NIMHANS Bangalore, ICMR Bhubaneswar, Savitribai Phule Pune University, SGPGI Lucknow, KGMU Lucknow, and for all other university and institutes which conducts Master of Public Health MPH, Master of Hospital Administration MHA, and other courses in entrance exams, and students who are preparing for various university and institutes MPH, MHA, MHM, and other courses entrance exams. And for this, if they want online or offline coaching and want important questions PDF note, they can WhatsApp on 9411513974. So for online coaching, WhatsApp number is 9411513974. And for the preparation of competitive exams, there is a WhatsApp group which link you will get in description box. Kindly subscribe to the channel so that you can get the information for important videos and get the information for various admissions and jobs. Kindly like, share and comment this video. Here first question is human living standards can be compared in different countries by. Human living standards can be compared in different countries by. Options are A, HDI, that is the Human Development Index. Option B, PQLI, the Physical Quality of Life Index. Option C, HPI, Happy Planet Index. Option D, DLY, Disability Adjusted Life Year. Correct answer is option A, HDI, Human Development Index. So human living standard can be compared in different countries by. Correct answer is HDI, Human Development Index. So by HDI, that is Human Development Index, living standards can be compared in different countries. Its explanation is the Human Development Index HDI is a statistical composite index of life expectancy, education and per capita income indicators. Question number second is biomedical concepts of health is based on. Biomedical concept of health is based on. Options are A, germ theory of disease, B, absence of pain, C, social and psychological factors, D, equilibrium between man and environment. Correct answer is option A, germ theory of disease. Biomedical concept of health is based on. Correct answer is germ theory of disease. So biomedical concept of health is based on germ theory of disease. Its explanation is the germ theory of disease is the currently accepted scientific theory explaining the cause of infectious diseases. It states that microorganisms known as pathogens or germs can cause disease. So biomedical concept of health is based on germ theory of disease. Next question is 3. The World Health Day is celebrated on. The World Health Day is celebrated on. Options are A, 1st March, B, 7th April, C, 6th October, D, 10th December. Correct answer is option B, 7th April. World Health Day is celebrated on 7th April. So World Health Day is celebrated every year on 7th April. Its explanation is World Health Day is a global health awareness day celebrated every year on 7th April. In 1948, the World Health Organization WHO held the first World Health Assembly. The assembly decided to celebrate 7th April of each year with effect from 1950s as the World Health Day. Question number 4 is cleanliness, physical exercise, rest and sleep are a part of. Cleanliness, physical exercise, rest and sleep are a part of. Options are A, hygiene, B, social hygiene, C, personal hygiene, D, none of these, none of the above. Correct answer is option C, personal hygiene. Cleanliness, physical exercise, rest and sleep are a part of. Correct answer is personal hygiene. So cleanliness, physical exercise, rest and sleep are a part of personal hygiene. Explanation is personal hygiene involves those practices performed by a person to care for their bodily health and well-being through cleanliness. Question 5th is which one of the following is an unhealthy habit? Which of the following is an unhealthy habit? Options are A, sharing food, B, bathing twice a day. C, drinking boiled water. D, eating without washing one's hand. So option D, eating without washing one's hand. This is a unhealthy habit. Its explanation is hand washing or hand washing, also called hand hygiene, is the process of cleaning the hands with soap or hand wash and water to eliminate bacteria, viruses, dirt, microorganisms and other potentially harmful substances. Question number 6 is which one of the following is not a bacterial disease? Which one of the following is not a bacterial disease? Options are A, AIDS, B, dengue, C, measles, D, all of the above. Correct answer is option D, all of the above. So which of the following is not a bacterial disease? So AIDS, dengue, measles, these all are not a bacterial disease. AIDS, dengue, measles, these diseases are not a bacterial disease. Its explanation is an infectious disease is an illness resulting from an infection, and some infectious diseases are also communicable, transmissible. Infections can be caused by a wide range of pathogens, most prominently bacteria and viruses. So AIDS, dengue and measles, these are not a bacterial diseases. Question number 7 is which of the following diseases is also called as Salmonella enterica serotype type A? Which of the following diseases is also called as Salmonella enterica serotype type A? Options are A, thyroid, B, malaria, C, diarrhea, D, yellow fever. Correct answer is option A, typhoid. So typhoid disease is also called as Salmonella enterica serotype type A. Its explanation is typhoid fever, also known as typhoid, is an orally contracted disease caused by Salmonella enterica serotype type A bacteria, also called Salmonella typhi. Question number 8 is which of the following is the main cause for transmission of the hepatitis virus? Which of the following is the main cause for transmission of the hepatitis virus? Options are A, the bite of a mosquito, B, sharing drug needles, C, drinking contaminated water, D, all of the above. Correct answer is option B, sharing drug needles. So sharing drug needles is the main cause for transmission of the hepatitis virus. Sharing drug needles is the main cause for transmission of the hepatitis virus. Its explanation is needle sharing is the practice of intravenous drug users by which a needle or syringe is shared by multiple individuals to administer intravenous drugs such as heroin, steroids and hormones. This is a primary factor for blood-borne diseases which can be transmitted through blood-borne pathogens. People who inject drugs, PWID, are at an increased risk for hepatitis C, HCV and HIV due to needle sharing practices. So main cause for transmission of the hepatitis virus is sharing drug needles. Question number 9 is which of the following statement is true about contamination? Which of the following statement is true about contamination? Options are A, contamination is caused by the entry of germs by an insect bite. Option B, contamination is caused by the entry of germs by an animal bite. Option C, contamination is caused by the entry of germs into drinking water or edible foods. Option D, none of the above. So correct answer is option C, contamination is caused by the entry of germs into drinking water or edible foods. So question is which of the following statements is true about contamination? So here option C, that is contamination is caused by the entry of germs into drinking water or edible foods. So contamination is caused by the entry of germs into drinking water or edible foods. This statement is true about contamination. Contamination is caused by entry of germs into drinking water or edible food. This statement is correct, and the rest of the statement, option A, B and D, that is contamination is caused by the entry of germs by an insect bite, this statement is not correct. And option B, that is contamination is caused by the entry of germs by an animal bite, this statement is also false. And contamination is caused by the entry of germs into drinking water or edible food, this statement is true. Its explanation is contamination is the presence of a constituent impurity or some other undesirable element that renders something unsuitable, unfit or harmful for the physical body, natural environment, workplace, etc. Question number 10 is which of the following diseases is not caused by bacteria? Which of the following diseases is not caused by bacteria? Options are A. Typhoid, B. Poliomyelitis, C. Tuberculosis, D. All of the above. Correct answer is option B. Poliomyelitis. So poliomyelitis disease is not caused by bacteria. Poliomyelitis disease is not caused by bacteria. Its explanation is poliomyelitis, commonly shortened to polio, is an infectious disease caused by poliovirus. Approximately 75% of cases are asymptomatic. So in this video, information regarding sample paper for the preparation of entrance exam for Master MPH and MHA for various university and institutes has been discussed, and students who are preparing for various university and institutes, MPH, MHA and MHM and other courses entrance, and for this if they want online or offline coaching and want important questions PDF note, they can WhatsApp on 9411513974. Thanks for watching this video.